Hello everyone, it's good to see you everyone. Today topic is possessive pronoun. What is a possessive pronoun? Possessive pronouns are pronouns that demonstrate ownership or possession of something. They are used to replace nouns and indicate that someone or something possesses or owns an object. I have a book. This is my book. The book is mine. Look the difference among these three sentences. This is my book. My is a possessive adjective. The book is mine. Mine is a possessive pronoun. So, what is a possessive pronoun? Possessive pronoun indicate possession or ownership of something. In English, there are two types of possessive pronouns. One is dependent and next one is independent possessive pronouns. What is it? Dependent possessive pronouns? These pronouns are used when they depend on a noun in the sentence to make sense. They modify or describe the noun by showing possession. The dependent possessive pronouns in English are possessive adjectives. Like this, my, this is my book. Your, is this your car? His, that is his laptop. Her, I saw her dog. Its, the cat is licking its paw. Our, we painted our house. Your, they fixed your bike. Their, those are their toys. These are the dependent possessive pronoun and these are just like a possessive adjectives. Like the same way, independent possessive pronouns. These pronouns do not depend on a noun. Dependent possessive pronouns are depending on a noun, but these kind of possessive pronouns do not depend on a noun. They can stand alone in a sentence to show possession. The independent possessive pronouns in English are possessive pronoun. Just like for example, mine, the bill you shot is mine. Yours, the red car is yours. His, the laptop is his. Hers, the dog is hers. Its, the tree lost its leaves. Ours, the house is ours. Yours, the bike is yours. Theirs, the ties are theirs. The possessive pronouns in the sentence or in the example are just ending in the sentence. My indicate ownership by the speaker, meaning something belongs to the person speaking. Example, this is my car. My is a possessive adjective. This car is mine. Possessive pronoun. Mine is a possessive pronoun. Look at the difference between these two sentences. This is my car. My is a possessive adjective. This car is mine. The word mine has been ending in the sentence of a end. So this is a possessive pronoun. A possessive pronoun replaces a possessive adjective plus noun to avoid repeating information that is already clear. Your indicate ownership by the person being spoken to, meaning something belongs to the person addressed. Example, is this your backpack? This backpack is yours. His indicates ownership by a male, meaning something belongs to a male. Example, that is his jacket. That jacket is his. Look the difference between these two sentences. One is the possessive adjective and another is the possessive pronoun. Her indicate ownership by a female, meaning Something belongs to a female. Example, this is her computer. That computer is hers. Or you can say, this computer is hers. Our indicates ownership by the speaker and one or more other people, meaning something belongs to the speaker and others. Example, these are our seats. These seats are ours. Your indicate ownership by a group of people being spoken to, meaning something belongs to the group being addressed. Example, is this your project? This project is yours. Look the difference between these two sentences. Is this your project? This is a possessive adjective. This project is yours. This is the possessive pronoun. There indicate ownership by a group of people or things, meaning something belongs to a group of people or objects. Example, those are their ties. Those ties are theirs. Possessive pronouns are used to avoid repetition and make sentence more concise. They show ownership or possession clearly and are a fundamental part of English grammar. These pronouns are important for indicating ownership or possession in a sentence and can replace longer noun phrases. It's crucial to choose the appropriate possessive pronoun based on the context of the sentence and the noun being replaced. Possessive pronoun practice exercise. Complete the following sentences with the correct possessive pronoun. The glove belongs to Mary. They are dash dash. This is the first sentence, and the sentence says that the gloves belongs to Mary. Mary is a female, and it's the name of someone. They are. What will come at the end of the sentence in a blank, in the blank sentence, and if any word will come here, that will be possessive adjective. Possessive adjective or possessive pronoun, but we must make possessive pronoun in this exercise. Their meals have arrived, but we are waiting for dash dash. Their answer I will show at the end of this video. Those are not my keys. Dash dash are in my pocket. This book is dash dash. It has your name on it. The house belongs to Jack and Jill. It is dash dash. Ange and I have a new car. It is dash dash. Is this Philip pen? No, it's not dash dash. Now we will see the answer. The gloves belongs to Mary. They are hers because Mary is a female. Their meals have arrived, but we are waiting for ours. Their indicate a group. Those are not my keys. Mine are in my pocket. This book is yours. It has your name on it. The house belongs to Jack and Jill. It is theirs. Ange and I have a new car. It is ours. Is this Philip pen? No, it's not his. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें।